And here's a quick tutorial for booking and quoting on ClassicVacations.com. You can access our booking engine in a number of different places. My favorite is to use the popover menu after you've signed in and click Book a Trip. This takes you to our shopping page, which has all of the booking and quoting options you could want. You can also access the booking engine from Classic Assist, where you'll find a smaller version of the booking widget here on the right side of the page. And then finally, you can find the booking engine on the home page of our website, right here in the center. All three entrance points have exactly the same function. It's just a matter of convenience wherever you're ready to start your booking. I'm going to start from the Book a Trip page. Starting off with a hotel only booking, you'll notice we now allow you to search for a specific hotel. So, in cases where you know exactly the hotel you're looking for, you no longer have to wait to search an entire destination. Instead, you can just enter the destination and then start typing in the hotel name that you're looking for and select from the list. And when you're doing a search that involves a hotel and a flight together or a hotel, flight, and car, you can now book different dates for the flight and the hotel. Click the box that says I only need a hotel for part of my stay, and you can now enter different dates for the hotel than the flight. This is helpful in cases where your clients may be booking a cruise and you're using Classic to book the wraparound, pre and post, as well as the flights. And then finally, we have a new feature called Client View. If you happen to be shopping side by side with your client, go ahead and click this box. This will allow you to do the search with commission and agency planning fees completely hidden through the entire flow. Once you've completed your search and you're viewing the list of available hotels, you're also able to compare rates across three different hotels. Imagine that you're looking for the best oceanfront room at three of your favorite properties. Simply click Compare this hotel, and then you'll see them populate in the tray and click the Compare button. The Rooms and Rates page shows you all the available rooms at all three of the hotels you've selected. You can see the first two room categories or open to see all the rooms at each hotel, making it even easier to find comparable room categories across your recommended properties. Once you've found the room you'd like to sell, go ahead and select this room. Review all of the trip details, adding transfers if you'd like or a car rental. Continue on. The Review Trip page allows you to add in the travel protection and your agency planning fee. From here, you could continue to check out and put this itinerary on hold or make a payment, or you can use our Send a Quote feature. Select the Customize Online Quote, and this will allow you to personalize the quote and send it over to your clients under your private label. From here, you can name your itinerary and add a note to your clients. You can make some choices about how you'd like to display the price and then make additional notes about the items in your booking. Perhaps this is where you want to write your personal recommendation for choosing this hotel. Save and preview your changes. And once you're happy with this quote, which includes the hotel photos and some content, you can use our share feature to share this with your clients. Simply copy the link or download a PDF or send an email directly from our site. Whichever way you choose to share the link with your client, they'll be able to view the itinerary with your logo and your private label contact information.